Hello friends, welcome back! Today we are going to learn math. Addition using fingers. We are going to learn how to use our fingers to do addition. This is going to be fun. Are you ready? Before we start, let's warm up. How many fingers we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers. Good job, kids. Now, let's start. The question is, 2 plus 1 equals 2. Now let's count the total number of fingers together. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Excellent! That wasn't too easy, was it? All right, let's tackle another one. 3 plus 2. Now, let's count all the fingers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Fantastic work! You're doing great! I believe you're ready to give it a try on your own. Now, let's dive into the math exercise together. Don't fret. We'll take it nice and slow. What is 1 plus 1? 1, 2. The answer is 2. What is 2 plus 1? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. What is 2 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. What is 3 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. You did it! I knew you could do it. Watch this video again to practice. By the way, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more educational videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.